Okay, see Lindelof videos. Find an interval containing exactly one cycle of cosine A b theta plus c. So you're going to be asked to do this a lot when you're graphing sine and cosine functions. And what you're going to do is take this argument and you're going to create a compound inequality and solve. So save yourself a little bit of legwork by doing this. Let's just try it, right? So this is the equation we're going to use. 3 cosine theta minus 5 pi 6. Remember, we're going to use this that's in blue to set up our inequality, right? So here we go. I'm just going to simply use the solve function, right? So if you look, I went to the book right here, went down to solve, hit solve. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in just that inside piece, right? Remember, I wanted 0 to be less than or equal to that, right? So here I hit control, this, right? Right? Now my piece has to be greater than or equal to that. And remember, it was theta minus 5 pi 6. So because I'm using theta, I'm going to go down here to the second button right where my cursor is right here, and I'm going to choose theta. I'm going to put in a minus sign, and then I have a fraction. The best thing I think to do is put control division. It actually sets up the solidus, and then you can just put in 5, right? 5 times, right? 5 times pi. Again, pi is here. Just select pi. Go down to 6, right? Use your right cursor to get outside of there, right? It's really important that you don't accidentally put your inequality in the denominator or the numerator, because that will screw everything up. You're going to get some answer, but it's going to be nuts. So just be careful about that as a warning. And then again, I'm going to put less than or equal to, right? So I hit control, I hit this button right here, I hit less than or equal to, I want 2 pi. Again, just to be safe, I always put 2 times. I don't think that you have to. And then again, I'm going to go down to this button here. I'm going to choose pi. Almost done, right? All we need is comma theta. Remember, our argument is not x. Our argument was theta. So I'm going to go down here again to that pi sign, go over to theta, and if all things work out, I hit enter and I get that bang. All right. I think this is really simple, but it's a really cool way, not just to save a little bit of time, but to actually make sure your math comes out right. Because have you ever done this before? I guess it'd be kind of a pain in the ass as you grind that inequality out. So look, I hope this was helpful. It took me 6 takes to make this stupid video, so I hope it helps you. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. And if there's something you'd like to see in another video, I'd be interested in hearing about that. Thanks.